YouTube, it's your boy WannabeMatt. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is my 9-month lock update. I'm doing this video a bit different. Oh, if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. I'll wait. Still waiting. Okay, you probably subscribed all by now. So yeah, today's video is going to be about my hair update. It's an update. It's my 9-month lock update. As you guys can see, I just did my hair, so it's all fresh and stuff. Boy, if you don't get... But yeah, usually when I do like dread updates, you see guys sit in a room or in the bathroom and talk about their hair. I really hate staying still, so this is why I'm going to make like today's vlog about my hair, but I'll be moving up and down. So with that said, we're just gonna jump into the update. You guys can let me know what you think and let me know in the comments down below on your guys' dread update. Even if you guys don't have dreads, just let me know the updates on your hair and what you're doing with your hair. But yeah, let's jump in the video. It's your boy WannabeMatt. So yeah guys, it's pretty gloomy right now, but so how does it feel to have hair for like 9 months locked? I don't know, it just feels like hair. Boy, if you don't get... I don't know what to tell you guys, but the progression has been real, because you guys can see it's like super long. I'm gonna show you some close-ups right now. Did it work? Check in. No. Yeah, I think my back really good. Hope you guys like that little close-up that I did with my hair. Right now I'm having some Wendy's, some loaded fries. I've had major progression with my hair. I don't know if you guys still can see, but I still haven't been using any products in my hair. So all I use is the tea tree oil. No, what's that thing called? Yeah, tea tree. Is that tea tree oil from Cantu. That was in my last video. You should see my last video on the screen now. But yeah, other than that, I don't use anything else in my head. What else should I tell you guys? I've been getting positive feedback from people regarding my hair. So if you guys are ever thinking about getting dreads or consider getting dreads, you should. Let me know what you guys think of my dreads. I really like to hear you guys' feedback, because I think I find them helpful. Any tips and tricks, still the goal is still the man bun. If you guys have dreads, I'd love to see some. And if you guys have any tips of any tips and tricks for dreads, you know I'm always open to recommendations. So
take 3.
So you know I'm keeping that, right?
No.
Yeah, okay. But yeah guys, so let me know what you think in the comment section below. And don't forget to smack a thumbs up on this video. If I have not answered any questions regarding my dread update today, I'll answer them in my next update. Grey dreads takes a lot of patience. It's been great. I look good right now.
Boy, if you don't get...
So, I put this back down. But, I'm gonna wrap this up and we're gonna go. Okay. So yeah guys, that's a wrap for today's Dread update. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment and watch my videos. Please and thanks. It's your boy WannabeMatt. I'll see you guys in the next one. No, you don't. But so yeah, let's jump straight into the video.
When will I see you again?
Me? You know, I think I saw you the other day, but from afar.